How's life, YouTube? Trivia Xpress here, and today I will be going to McDonald's to get a Big Mac because I have been asking you guys for a few weeks if I should go to McDonald's or another place, and I've done it 2 times. You both didn't want me to go to McDonald's. You said the other place, but this time there's literally no other places to go. Hiram's I'm not going because I'm not eating hot dogs on camera because I don't want to get made fun of because people are gonna think I'm not eating hot dogs on camera because I don't need to get made fun of. Okay, so yeah, please enjoy vlog number 36. Okay, so I'm at McDonald's. I'm going to unlock my bike and then go inside. Alright, so yeah, just unlocked my bike. God damn, so many people coming. Holy crap, there's a line. Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm ordering. Oh my god, there's some fireworks in here. Hello, can I get a Big Mac meal? And on the Big Mac, can I get no special sauce and no cheese? Yeah, and that's it.
Just the one Big Mac, or you want the combo?
The combo.
The combo medium or large?
Medium.
To stay?
Yeah, to stay.
$9.59.
Perfect. $10 bill. Waiting for my coins back. Thank you. Okay, so I ordered number 345. See you guys when I'm at my table. Okay, so here we go. The Big Mac with some fries. It's my second time eating a Big Mac. Now, I don't like the special sauce, and I don't like cheese. I like cheese, but shredded cheese, not like actual slices of cheese. I used to like it, but there's this thing called taste buds. Alright, so now, hold up, never mind. Now let's go eat this big, oh my god, there's nothing but lettuce. How much extra lettuce there is? This is good. And I got Coke like normal. And you guys want me to eat with my mouth closed, so that's what I'm gonna try and do. I'm just eating lettuce. Oh my god, everything's falling into here. Don't worry, I'm gonna eat what falls. Sorry for talking with my mouth open. With my mouth full. Watch this. I just saw someone in my class, in my grade. Oh god, it's crowded as hell here. Yeah, so like I said before, when I was in the bike room, I'm not going to Hiram's because I'm not eating hot dogs on camera. Because I really don't want to get in front of, oh, you're gay, you're eating penis. Like, no. I don't want to deal with that. And apparently, I ate hot dogs the wrong way. Like, wow, it's a hot dog. I don't think of it as a... Alright, so, like I was saying before, I'm not eating Hiram's. My brother called me and interrupted my video. So, screw you, Noah. I still love you, though. Oh, God. I'm gonna get demonetized again. Because there's music playing. And YouTube doesn't like when you copy videos. Like, I didn't actually take a video. It's just background. I can't tell them to shut it off. I'm making a video. It's not right. There's still other people around, but alright guys, I'm done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, such as eating videos and rubber bamboo videos. And I will be making Q&A part 4 in a few weeks. If you guys just give me questions, I will make a Q&A. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share, peace. Enjoy your life. For now, if you can.